Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here. I'm actually about to go through something that is really about to be over here. And what we're gonna do is about to animate scroll on Figma. So what you're gonna do actually is about to go through scroll animator on plugins and widgets. Scroll animator anime scroll animation. So we're gonna start right here to dive it on that. And the scroll animator is scroll effect, which is parallax. So maybe we can start to see the scroll animation is really like this. So that's all about guys to understand how you make this kind of type.